man, not idiot. Blood clot, cocky on my ears, try box it out.
I'm tired to walk and people say watch a fat boy there. More people start say, watch good shape I come, watch flat stomach, watch nice knees. You understand? I them something them want here. I'm tired of fat boy now, man. Fat boy for go sit down and go put on. More here, watch good shape I come, watch flat belly.
My name is Dana Sutherland and I am a student from 11 Integrity. My group SB, what the fuck you push your head in and something for?
Good man, you have to take and stop jump for grasses. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of you.
Nah man, I wake up in there. You know if I want him to come with a little food, I can't stand him enough.
That's
Sure.
what you say to you see him?
Wait.
Sure, you need to
No,
call
I'm gonna
him,
see.
you know.
Wait, see him. No, I don't feel him care that. Show him the man.
Sure.
Now listen. My honey, my honey, my honey. My honey, my honey, my honey. Fuck me, choke me, kill me, throw me through the window. Because my pussy can't done. My honey, my honey, my honey. My honey, my honey. Back broke, cock broke. Take your time. Dude, stop.
Mathematics. M-A-M... English. H... Mirasclot.
Road settings, me say road settings. Me can't go anywhere me want go. Road settings. Walking on the road, waiting on a bus. I wait on a bus, yeah, for touch the road, yeah.
No girl make me left my man and them comfortable with him and me uncomfortable. A mad girl, it's where we go 50-50 in a blood cut. We have got on Emmanuel Road and Brook Rockstone and we are fling off for each other in a blood cut, but just make sure say your stone but bigger than mine. Yeah, just make sure say your stone but bigger than mine.
Me want a boy who can mind me and give me money. Me don't want a blood clot boy. You hear that? Period. Me no want no blood clot.
£2 of flour and 1 tin mackerel, piece of butter. £2 of flour and 1 tin mackerel and piece of butter.
Me supposed to suck my mother, you child right here, so when last you put your mouth underneath your mother, take it from out of your man, but it only one poop.